Receiving the good news that you're expecting is a wonderful milestone for many. As you make plans for baby's arrival, it's important that you also consider how a newborn may affect your pet. By incorporating your pet into your baby plans, you'll help prepare them for the changes ahead. One of the most important factors to consider is whether your pet has any behavioral issues, such as anxiety, owner attachment, or territory guarding. If your pet displays any of these issues, it's important that you address them as early as possible. You can work with your veterinarian and consult an animal behaviorist to train your pet to prevent any accidents in the future. The first step is to allow your pet to become familiar with both the sights and sounds of baby. As you set up the nursery, allow your pet to explore the room. Let them sniff the new furniture, lay on the carpet, and get used to the new layout. If they were previously allowed unlimited entry to the room, gradually set boundaries. Reduce access by closing the door for short periods of time, or use a baby gate to prevent your pet from going into the room, but still allowing them to see what's going on. If your pet sleeps with you and you want to change that habit, you can gradually reduce access to your bedroom, or set up a designated sleeping area for them on the floor. Try not to abruptly cut off access to these areas, or your pet may develop a negative association with the baby. Another tip is to reenact the tasks you'll be doing with the baby, such as cradling and feeding, so your pet becomes familiar with these activities. If your pet jumps up, train them to stop this behavior, especially while you're holding the baby. Use treats to reward them for good behavior while performing these actions for positive reinforcement. Leading up to baby's arrival, you can also play crying sounds so your pet becomes familiar with these new noises. Even if your pet has full access to your home, consider having an area where your pet can retreat to for some time alone. Set aside a quiet area in your home and provide access to their food and water, crate or bed, blankets, and their favorite toys. Many pets develop separation anxiety or behavioral issues after baby's arrival due to a decrease in time they spend with their owners. Many parents-to-be often spend more time with their pets, knowing that they won't be able to focus on them as much when baby arrives. Although you may think it will benefit them, this overcompensation can have the opposite effect. Instead, begin training your pet to be more independent before baby arrives, and make any changes to your pet's exercise routine or daily schedule gradually. Lastly, remember to plan ahead and arrange for your pet's care while you're in the hospital. While everyone hopes for a speedy return home, the unexpected can happen and you may be at the hospital earlier or longer than anticipated. We hope these tips help prepare you and your pets for the new and exciting changes you're about to experience. For additional advice, talk to your veterinarian.